What's up guys? Today I got an awesome product that I'm super excited to share with you today. It's from Carlyle. It's their new 60 volt half-inch impact gun. And the 60 volt, that's right, 60 volts half-inch hammer drill. These products are not even available till the end of the year or first part of next year, but luckily Carlyle sent me one to show you guys. So let's get in here and take a look at this, because 60 volts, that's a game changer. Alright, so here we have the half-inch hammer drill. That part number is 60V12HD. So let me get this box open, that way you guys can see how it's packaged and see what's in here. Of course, on this side is the charger. You see how it's made. It's the slide-in style. There's the handle for the hammer drill. Of course, the drill body itself, the cord for the charger, the battery, and looks like a drill depth gauge. Alright, so let's take a look at this. As you can see here, it's got 21 different torque settings, so you can set the torque of your drill bit. It also has 3 regular settings. It has one for drill, one for using it as a screw gun, as a drill driver, and then the hammer drill setting. It's got the high and low speed, forward and reverse is here, and just like the impact, it's got the heavy rubber coating on the back with these bumpers that protrude pretty good. It's going to help it in case you do knock it off, because I mean, face it guys, you're holding 60 volts of power here. You know, and a lot of people may not think anything about it, but lithium batteries can be dangerous, especially if they're busted. So I like the way the battery locks on. It don't have any play at all in them. They're actually a super friction tight. Like when I first put the battery on the impact, I thought something may be wrong because it was kind of hard to get on, but it was the way it's designed. There's no battery wiggle at all, like zero. So that's really nice. The build quality of these seem to be very well. As again, I'm going to say it just like I did with the impact, the true test is going to be how well it works. I am impressed with the 60 volts. I think the runtime is going to be amazing on these. I think the power is going to be amazing on them. And, you know, so far they feel good in your hand. The rubber grip that they did on this, they did a great job on that. Alright, so it's showing that the max torque on this impact is 1,000 inch-pounds. No load speed on low is 550 RPMs, and on high is 2,000 RPMs. So it's getting it pretty good. It has 30,000 blows per minute on hammer drill, so that thing is going to make short work, especially out of concrete or any other substance that you need to use a hammer drill on. 30,000 blows per minute, that's getting it. And of course, you know, for high-speed drill bits, 2,000 RPMs per minute, that is getting it too. So let me turn it on low and let's take a look and see what it sounds like. That's in forward on low. Let's put it on high. Oh yeah, she's fast. All right. So like I said before, the true test is what they'll do and how they hold up over time. Like I say, this is an unboxing video and kind of an introductory video, and we are going to test it and show you guys what it can do. All right, we got the new hammer drill, the 60 volt Carlyle, and we got a 1/2 inch hyper step bit. Wild Bill's working on a seat. I'm gonna try this thing out. She didn't bog down, did she?
She didn't bog down. She didn't try to break my wrist either. I mean, it was stout, but it was a good steady.
So you saying she ain't weak?
She's not weak by far. It's a good drill.
That's some pretty thick stuff. So
we got to do some.
Huh?
Well, yeah, we got to do some remodeling on our little bar stove.
All right, guys. So there you see how well the 60 volt Carlyle hammer drill works. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. Check the links in the description. So we have got to get back to work. You guys have a good one.